Hello everyone, we are back with a new video, and today's video is about 9 smart study tips for the students who are preparing for their exams and especially board exams. So, let's start. First, you should understand the exam format. Familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. Study the marking scheme and time allocation. Tailor your preparation based on question types. Second, create a comprehensive study plan. Break down your syllabus into manageable sections. Allocate specific time slots for each subject. Includes regular breaks to avoid burnout. Third, prioritize high weightage topics. Identify high yield areas from past exams. Focus on frequently tested topics. Maximize efforts when they matter most. Fourth, use active learning techniques. Summarize key concepts in your own words. Create mind maps for visual understanding. Reinforce learning by teaching others. Fifth, practice regularly with past papers. Solve previous year papers for familiarity. Take mock tests to refine time management. Spot weak areas and focus on improvement. Sixth, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Balance diet, exercise, and adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of rest each night. Stay hydrated to boost focus and energy. 7. Join study groups. Collaborate with peers to share insights. Discuss complex topics and clarify doubts. Add an element of fun to learning. 8. Revise periodically. Schedule regular revision sessions. Use spaced repetition for long-term retention. Refresh concepts before moving to new topics. 9th, stay positive and manage stress. Practice self-affirmation and stay motivated. Surround yourself with supportive people. Use relaxation techniques to reduce stress. This is all for today's video. If you like it, please do subscribe the channel, like the video. So do stay with channel. Thank you.